So now that we've laid out the logical structure of our website based on keyword research, you'll want to buy a domain. So there's a ton of different ways to look for domains. You're going to have a lot of different reasons and concerns and things to be thinking about. But I just wanted to point out that there are a number of third-party tools that can help you through this process. Now, some of you may already have a company established or have a domain in mind or bought a domain. But if you haven't, you can use one of these third-party sites to make the process easier. So in this particular case, we are an app development company, and let's give that a shot. So you can see here on leandomainsearch.com, we're typing in app development, and it's going to give us a ton of different options. And what it's doing here is querying a whois lookup that tells you whether or not the domain is available. So this is just a giant list of domains that are available to buy that include the keyword we have. In addition to that, this one actually does a Twitter handle lookup as well. So you can see whether or not the keyword you're inputting has a Twitter username available or not. You can sort by a lot of different things, right? Popularity, length. You can search based on whether or not it starts with your term or ends with your term, right? And we can continue to sort of play around with this. Right, and so iPhone apps, online, web, media, right? There's a lot of different options here. And it goes on and on. There's a ton of different ways to do this. The domain that you decide on is ultimately going to be up to you. But just wanted to point out that there's a ton of really interesting third-party tools that can help with the process.